Welcome to SA Car Review, your go-to destination for detailed reviews, expert insights, and exciting updates on the latest vehicles from around the world. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a curious buyer, or someone who just loves automotive technology, we bring you honest and thorough reviews of the most innovative cars, trucks, and motorhomes on the market. Today we're exploring one of the most groundbreaking electric recreational vehicles ever created, the 2025 Tesla Motorhome. Tesla, known globally for its revolutionary electric cars and bold approach to innovation, has stepped into the market with a design that merges advanced EV technology with luxury, sustainability, and smart living. The 2025 Tesla Motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It is a fully integrated electric mobile home that promises comfort, freedom, and efficiency on the road. The exterior of the 2025 Tesla Motorhome immediately stands out with a sleek and aerodynamic design. It reflects Tesla's signature minimalist style while offering a strong and futuristic presence. With smooth curves, sharp LED lighting, and an expansive windshield, the motorhome is built not only for aesthetics but also to maximize aerodynamic performance. Lightweight materials such as aluminum and composites reduce overall weight, which helps in improving range and handling. Tesla has used its proven electric drivetrain technology in the motorhome, offering dual or tri-motor options that deliver instant torque and all-wheel drive capabilities. This setup allows the motorhome to perform well in a variety of terrains including highways, hills, and off-road tracks. It has an adaptive air suspension system that provides a comfortable and stable ride, adjusting the height according to road conditions or campsite requirements. The motorhome is powered by Tesla's latest 4,680 battery cells, giving it a substantial range of around 500 miles on a single charge, depending on usage. It supports ultra-fast charging using Tesla's global supercharger network, making long-distance travel more convenient than ever. In addition to plug-in charging, the vehicle is fitted with high-efficiency solar panels on the roof, helping generate extra power to support daily living functions and reduce dependency on external power sources. Step inside, and the Tesla Motorhome reveals a modern, spacious, and multifunctional living area. Designed to make every inch count, the interior includes a flexible lounge that can be converted into a sleeping area, a smart kitchen with induction cooktop, a compact bathroom with a shower, and clever storage solutions throughout. Tesla has used eco-friendly materials, soft LED lighting, and a minimalist color scheme to create a calm and stylish environment inside. The motorhome's interior is driven by technology. A large central touchscreen acts as the main control hub for all onboard systems, from lighting and climate to entertainment and kitchen appliances. Voice commands and smart AI integration allow for hands-free operation of various features. High-speed internet is available through Starlink satellite connectivity, making this motorhome ideal for remote work, entertainment, or navigation even. In off-grid locations, Tesla's software also brings advanced safety and driving features to the motorhome. The latest version of full self-driving capabilities included, offering automated lane changing, highway driving, and parking assistance. A full suite of cameras and sensors ensures 360-degree awareness and real-time monitoring of the surroundings. When parked, the Sentry mode keeps the vehicle secure by detecting and recording any nearby motion. For energy efficiency, the Tesla Motorhome features a highly insulated body and a smart climate system that learns user preferences and adjusts automatically. An onboard water filtration and recycling system supports extended travel without the need to frequently refill or dump water tanks. An optional outdoor awning, fold-out seating, and modular dining space make the Tesla Motorhome suitable for both short camping trips and long-term living. Tesla has made sure that the motorhome stays connected with its entire ecosystem. Through the Tesla app, users can control climate settings, lock or unlock the vehicle, monitor battery levels, locate charging stations, and receive software updates. Over-the-air updates keep the system fresh with new features and improvements. Just like Tesla's cars, this motorhome also includes thoughtful features for travel and leisure, including customizable lighting modes, an immersive sound system, and multiple USB-C and wireless charging stations. Every feature is designed with sustainability and user experience in mind, allowing people to travel in comfort while reducing their environmental impact. With the 2025 Tesla Motorhome, the future of travel looks cleaner, smarter, and more exciting than ever. It brings Tesla's electric excellence into the world of motorhomes and gives adventurers, families, and remote workers a new way to explore without compromise. Whether parked at a scenic lake, driving through national parks, or camping off the grid, this motorhome offers a perfect blend of technology, comfort, and sustainability. Thank you for watching this review of the 2025 Tesla Motorhome. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more reviews like this, make sure to subscribe to SA Car Review and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.